So Jai Shri Ram dosto. So this is the first program in Java language and this is the simplest program, and let's start by file name. This file having name demo.java, right? But just by looking at this name demo.java, we can know that this file must contain a class named demo, right? So this is the class demo class, and in this demo class we have a function. The name of this function is main function, and in this function we are just printing it out something, right? We have used system.out.println, means we are going to print something. What we are going to print, what we have written in double quotes is just what we get on the what we get as output, right? So this is all about brief, and I'm going to explain each and every word right now. So in the first line we have public class demo. So the public here is just the access specifier, right? So there in Java there are 4 types of access specifiers: public, protected, private and default. So we have used public here, we have used public in before a class name, right? So this means that this class is accessible from anywhere. So what is a class? Now the class is the group of methods and attributes. Methods, we can say that functions and attributes, right? And demo here is the file name or class name. And we encountered again public, right? So we know the public is the access specifier, and this time it is written before a main, before a function main. So this means that this function is accessible from anywhere again, right? Now the static, what is a static? Statics basically means that this function does not require any object of this class to call, right? That, or we can say that this function can be called without any objects, right? Void means, void we know it is used for returning statements. So when if we have used void over here, that means there is nothing to return in this function, that this function return statement is not there, right? So, and string args is just the argument, or we can say that the array of a string, right? So what is the argument? Argument are just a collection of a string passed in the command line, right? Here this is the collection of strings passed in command line or terminal, right? And here's a small activity just to clearing your concepts a bit more. Right over here, you know, we have declared args, the argument array of strings. Go and print args of 0, right? In here system.out.println. So now in this line we have system.out.println. This is just a Java, in Java this is just a printing statement, and this output as hello world, which we got on the console or the output, right? So here is something that written, the static method of variable can be used without objects, right? Static means object independent. If this method is static, this means this is object independent method and can be accessed without creating an object, right? So what are the objects? If we can describe what are the object and classes, if we go on description, this require another video which I will be providing very soon. And objects and classes, right? Object versus classes, I will be making this video. And now here is some execution or compilation of Java file, right? First we have a Java code written in Java file, and we have named it demo.java, right? Here it is, this is our demo.java file, right? So this file is compiled. Here is the compiler, javac is the compiler, and this file compiles, javac compiles this file demo.java to demo.class, right? Now demo.class is just a bytecode, right? This bytecode can be executed on any machine, and this bytecode is platform independent. To run this bytecode we use Java and then the name of the file, and when we run this file demo java.demo, we got output as hello world, and here this is the output of this program, right? This is how the program works in Java. Thank you.